Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself and my fellow friend, my name is Purhanizam bin Irwan. My metric number is 07DEE22F2045. In this mini project, I want to present how to make coding about display electricity usage calculate bill estimation. The first step is to get the kilowatt usage value, which is the current reading minus the previous reading. Using the float calculation usage as a template, after that, the value reading of option 1 will be shown by pressing return. We will next find a bill of calculation of the use of float. Minimum charge of RM5 will apply to any kilowatt less than 300. After that, the first block will be charged for the first 100 kilowatt following a minimum of 30 cents and multiply by 100 kilowatt. The second block will be charged for the first 200 kilowatt following the first block of 40 cents and multiply by 200 kilowatt. The third block will be charged 4 kilowatt above the 200 kilowatt. The first for if is to find the first block, which is the first block equal to consumption multiplied by the first block of charge. The first output will use the minimum charge and the second output will use the first block of charge. This is the encoding used to find the first, second and third block charge. The second output should use minimum charge. The second output should use charge first block, and the third output should use second block. Otherwise, if the second block needs to be charged, it is the consumption multiplied by the second block. The third block follows where output 1 use the minimum, output 2 use the first block, output 3 use the second block, and output 4 use the third block. The third block is the same as using third block time. Coding for the menu comes last. Case 1 involved determining the quantity of energy used. Case 2 involved determining the quantity of energy used and the price charged for it based on the minimum charge. The first, second, and third block and case 3 involved the termination of the application. This is the output if the user select the first option. Next, this is the output of the user choose the second option. And finally, this is the output if the user choose the third option. That's all for me. Thank you, my sir and my fellow friend.